talk about the last topic in this chapter, Human Eye in a Colorful World, scattering of light. So the interplay of light with the objects around us gives rise to several spectacular phenomena in nature, like the scattering of blue light in the atmosphere and the color of the water in the deep sea and the color of the sun during sunrise and sunset. So let's talk about one of the examples of scattering of light, the Tyndall effect, as we studied in the previous class.
What is a Tyndall?
I'm explaining. So, the atmosphere is full of is a heterogeneous mixture of many minute particles. These include smoke, minute droplets of water, and air molecules. When light goes to the atmosphere, it reflects off these particles and thus becomes visible to us. This scattering of light by colloidal particles is known as a Tyndall effect, as we have studied in the previous classes. Well, the color of the scattering of light depends on the size of the particles. Very fine particles reflect blue color more, and whereas many larger particles reflect red color more. So, with this analogy, let me explain you why the sky is blue. Well, as I just said right now, very fine particles reflect blue color more, and as I said before that, the atmosphere is full of very fine particles, little droplets of water. So the red color is 1.8 times has a 1.8 times larger wavelength than the blue color. So when the light enters the atmosphere, the very fine particles reflect the blue color more, and thus it makes us seem like the sky is blue. If we had no atmosphere, there would have been no scattering of light at all. Then the sky would have appeared dark. Do you know why signal signs are red in color? Because fog and smoke reflect red color the least, so that's why it can be visible from a distance.
Do you know that the human eyes can focus on the object at a different distance by adjusting the focal length of the eyes lens? This is due to the
This is due to the ciliary muscles. They are the muscles in the eyes that adjust the eyelids and the cornea so that it can change the focus of the eye, and thus light can enter differently. You can see light from near and you can see light farther away.
The human eyes forms the image of an object at its corona, iris, pupils, retina.
Retina.
Okay. The least distance of the distant visions for the young adults with normal visions is about 2.5 mm, 2.5 cm,
25 centimeters.